Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the BBK 1 5/8 inch long tube headers in titanium ceramic for the 1996 to 2004 Mustang GTs with a manual transmission. If you're looking to unlock serious horsepower gains and add an aggressive exhaust tone, these headers are definitely worth checking into. These headers are built with large 1 5/8 inch primary tubes machined via CNC and mandrel bent for optimized airflow. They deliver solid horsepower gains over stock manifolds or some shorty headers. This long tube design significantly improves exhaust scavenging for better engine breathing and throttle response. They're finished in this really clean titanium ceramic coating that resists heat discoloration and corrosion while offering a clean, high-end look. Designed to bolt directly to a matching high-flow shorty mid-pipe that's going to be sold separately, these headers offer plug-and-play compatibility with both stock and aftermarket catback exhaust systems. Installation hardware and gaskets are included, making it a full package design for durability and performance. These headers are pressure tested at the factory to ensure a leak-free operation and long-term reliability even under those high heat cycles. These are some very high quality built long tube headers with thick 3/8 inch laser cut flanges. These BBK headers are engineered for strength and consistency. This premium titanium ceramic finish and the robust construction here are designed to handle performance driving without warping or corrosion over time, making this a very durable upgrade for your Mustang. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid $800 price range. This is gonna put it closer to the premium header tier, but with the quality of construction and the better airflow and a better exhaust note, it's well worth the money. Installation on this is gonna be rated a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you should set aside a full day to get these installed. The tight clearances and the need for a precise leak-free fit make this job suited for people with experience or a professional mechanic. Tuning after installation is gonna be recommended to maximize the performance gains and see the full potential of this mod. If you aren't 100% confident in your abilities to get this job done correctly, go ahead and hire someone or take it to a shop to get this job done right. Okay, that's gonna wrap up my review of the BBK 1 5/8 inch long tube headers in titanium ceramic for the 1996 to 2004 Mustang GT with the manual transmission. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.